Hi guys, welcome back to Indie Kitchen with my mom, Indy. Today she'll be showing you how to cook soup with two of my favorite ingredients, mushrooms and chicken. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, so today we're making mushroom soup. I'm gonna add some chicken in there for little man because he needs his protein. So today we have 2 green banana, a carrot, 2 green onion, potato. I'm gonna use half of this yam, some thyme, some garlic, scotch bonnet, and a chicken cube. I'm gonna chop these up just now. This was seasoned about half an hour ago with some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and a half of the chicken cube. Okay, so these are our ingredients today. It's gonna be quick things. Look at those. Of course, in the video before, I forgot to mention my onion. So, of course, I'm using half an onion. The yam, I'm gonna cut it after because I don't want it to oxidize or turn brown, because once you cut it, you have to use it right away. So when I'm ready for it, that's when I'll peel it, chop it up, and dash it in there. So these are the veggies. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to cook this quick soup. So first, I'm going to add in our chicken. The oil is hot. We're gonna let that brown. Now that our chicken's browned, look at that. I'm gonna add in our onions, green onions, and garlic. And our cremini mushrooms. Just the creminis. Oops. And potato. Got some in there. And half of our white mushrooms. So now we're gonna melt these down. So it's been covered for about 5 minutes. They're sweating, making its own juice. I'm gonna add some thyme. Give that a stir. See how they've softened up? These flavors are gonna be so wonderful in this soup, you guys. And this is a little man's request. He wants mushroom soup. So I'm like, okay, try a thing. Cover it again. I'm going to add in our carrots. and our half of a chicken cube. They've been sauteing, getting those juices, mushroom juice. So now I'm gonna add in my potatoes. Mix those in. And now we're gonna add our hot water. I'm gonna turn it up. Let that bubble and start boiling up. So we'll give this about 10 minutes to start bubbling up, and then we'll be back. So it's been cooking down for about 10 minutes now. Just give it a stir. And now we're gonna add the rest of our hot water. So now that we added our water, I want to season this again with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and another half of a chicken cube. Stir that up. Let that boil. And honestly, it's almost done. Scotch bonnet for some flavor. And then I'm gonna cover it for 10 more minutes. And we will be back. Turn it down. Now I'm gonna add in my green banana. And a little piece of yam. Yam. And the rest of our mushrooms. Add more water. And let that boil up. So now it's coming to a boil. I'm going to add some more thyme. And I forgot to mention our soup mix, which is my favorite, spicy cock soup. Yes, this is the best one, okay? Add that. And then when these noodles are boiled, the soup is done. The yam and the bananas boiling. Everything's gonna be soft and everything's gonna be so delicious. Look at that, you guys. Our soup is done. Last 15 minutes and our veggies are cooked. Everything is cooked, boiled up. The house smells amazing. Thank you for watching Indie Kitchen with Indie. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, let your friends know about the recipes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you love mushrooms, you know, you will definitely love this one. And you know, it could also be a vegetarian soup if you just take out the chicken, right? So that's it. Super simple, super easy. Thank you for watching In the Kitchen. There you have it, guys. Mushroom soup. Thank you for watching In the Kitchen with Indie. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Tell your friends about the recipes. So this is like a Jamaican mushroom soup, you know? Thank you for watching In the Kitchen. Stay tuned for more recipes. So how is it?
It's so good. Thank you so much for the food. I love the mushrooms and stuff. There's even green banana. So good.